Have you ever taken another trade immediately after just a loss, just to recover your money? If yes, you may have experienced revenge trading. But what exactly is revenge trading? And why does it destroy so many trading accounts? Today, let's understand it in the simplest way possible. What is revenge trading? Revenge trading is trying to recover a loss immediately by taking another trade. Instead of following your trading plan, you follow your emotions. You start thinking, I just lost money, I need to recover it. One more trade, that's all I need. And that's exactly where revenge trading begins. A simple example, imagine you lose 2000 rupees on a trade. Your trading plan says stop trading for the day, but your emotion says no, one more trade. This one will recover everything. At that moment, you are no longer following your strategy. You are trying to recover your loss with emotion. That's revenge trading. Why does it happen? The reason is not the market, it's your psychology. After a loss, your ego does not want to accept it that you were wrong. You believe the next trade will fix everything, but emotion driven trades usually create even bigger losses. Warning signs: if after a loss you take another trade immediately, increase your position size, remove your stop loss, enter without a proper setup, keep buying and selling repeatedly. Be careful, you are not trading, you are reacting emotionally. The real damage: revenge trading does not just reduce your about account balance, it also destroys your confidence too. A small loss can quickly become a much bigger one. Not because the market was bad, but because your decision was. How to avoid revenge trading? First, set a maximum daily loss. For example, if your rule is no more than 2000 rupees loss in a day, once you reach it, stop trading immediately. Close your platform. Second, after every losing trade, take a 10 to 15-minute break. Drink some water, go for a short walk, but don't rush into another trade. Third, before every entry, ask yourself, am I taking this trade because my strategy says so, or am I just trying to recover my losses? If it's the second one, don't take the trade. Remember, the market never tries to take revenge on you. But revenge trading can definitely destroy your whole trading account. Losing money is a part of trading. Making emotional decisions is not. Final thought: successful traders don't fear losses, they fear emotional decisions because even the best strategy can't save you if your emotions are in control. Always remember, the best revenge is not against the market, it's mastering your own discipline. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, share, and follow and subscribe to No Chart Finance English for practical trading education. Because here we don't treat trading like gambling, we treat it with knowledge, discipline, and risk management. No hype, no false promises, just real market education.